Today we're going to be talking about surface area of prisms and cylinders. And what surface area is the area that covers all the lateral faces, top and bottom, side and side, front and back. Now to find that, we're going to use this formula. S, which is surface area, B, which we know from finding the volume, B is equal to the area of the base. P is equal to the perimeter of the base, and H is equal to the height. So if we take this prism and say that it has a length of 3 centimeters, a width of 2 centimeters, and a height of 5 centimeters, we can use this to find the area of, or the surface area of this cylinder. Now, if the base, in this case, is 3 by 2, the perimeter of the base is going to be 3. We know that this side and this side are going to be 2. This side and this side are going to be 3. So the perimeter of this particular unit is 10 centimeters. So the perimeter of the base is 10 centimeters. Now we can take all this, plug it into our formula. To find the area of the base is equal to the length times the width. So the length, which is 3, times 2, which will give me 6 centimeters squared. The height we know. So now we can go ahead and plug all this in. So the surface area is equal to twice the base height, twice the area of the base. Why? Because these two, the top and the bottom, are the same. So 2 times 6 plus the perimeter of the base, which is 10 centimeters, times the height, which is 5. So we add all that, we multiply, we add, we do come up with 2 times 6 is 12, plus 10 times 5, which is 50. Add it all together, and we're going to get 62 centimeters. Now, because we're dealing with area, we're just dealing with area, our unit is going to be centimeters, I'm sorry, not C, squared. Now, we're going to do the same thing for finding the area, the surface area of a cylinder. Remember the pop can? So, we are going to say that this formula is a little different. Surface area is equal to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So now all we need to know is, what is my r, what is my height? So in this case, the radius is going to be 5 inches, and the height is going to be 6 inches. So we're going to take all this, plug it in here. Surface area is equal to 2 pi times r, r is 5 squared, plus 2 pi times r, which is 5, times the height, which is 6. Multiply that all out. 2 pi times 25 plus 2 pi times 30. This is 157 plus 188.4. Combine those, we get 345.4 inches squared. Why inches squared? Because we're dealing with area, the area that covers the outside of this figure.